Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the topic human evolution. What is evolution? Evolution means the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. So, what is evolution? The process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage or gradual change leads to more advanced development. Gradual change leads to more advanced development. So what is human evolution? The process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage or gradual change leads to more advanced development. So in this topic we are going to learn about origin of human. Origin of human, and the second one, stages of human evolution. Third one, hunting and food gathering. Fourth one, stone implements. And fifth one, use of fire and wheels. And the sixth one, rock paintings. So in this topic we are going to learn about origin of human, stages of human evolution, hunting and food gathering, stone implements, use of fire and wheels. The last one, rock paintings. The first one, origin of human. To know about the origin of human, let's go backward. See how our past was. 460 years ago. 460 years ago, Earth evolved. 460 years ago, Earth evolved. That means when Earth left from the sun, it's getting high temperature and very hot. Many years later, it's getting cold and clouds were formed. Then it was rained. So after that, a single cell organism created by natural selection. Single cell organism created by natural selection in ocean, somewhere in water. From the single cell organism, so many species were formed, like fish, worms, insects, dinosaurs, birds and monkeys. So, according to the Darwin theory, human came from apes. According to the Darwin theory, human came from apes. So 460 years ago, Earth evolved. Along with this, all the living things also started to evolve. Along with this, all the living things also evolved. And 20 lakhs years ago, 460 crore years ago, 460 crore years ago, Earth evolved. 20 lakh years ago, man started to walk. 20 lakh years ago, man started to walk. 3 lakhs years ago spread through out the earth. Spread throughout the earth. 3 lakhs years ago, man spread throughout the earth, the entire world. 8,000 years ago, 8,000 years ago started cultivation, and 5,000 years ago civilization flourished. 5,000 years ago civilization flourished. 8,000 years ago cultivation started. Cultivation means regarding to agriculture work. Civilization means a well developed society. A well developed society. Flourished means get strong, getting strong. And finally the modern man. The present days. Finally the modern man. Finally modern man, the present days. So 460 crore years ago earth evolved. 20 lakhs years ago man started to walk. 3 lakhs years ago spread throughout the earth. 8,000 years ago started cultivation, agricultural works. 5,000 years ago civilization flourished. A well developed society. Civilization, well developed society. Finally the modern man. See how modern human has evolved. See how modern human has evolved. First point. Human in erect position. Human in erect position means the straight position, erect position, and walked on legs. Walked on legs happened much later. Much later. The first point, human in erect position and walked on two legs happened much later. And second one, changes in them. Changes in them so that they hold the things tightly. Changes in them so that they hold the things tightly. Third one, the very important one, development of brain. Third one, the development of brain. By using the brain, human find so many things in our real life. Third one, development of brain. The first one, human in erect position and walked on two legs happened much later, and changes in them so that they hold the things tightly. The last one, development of brain. So these are the modern human has evolved. So the story of human evolution can be scientifically studied with the help of archaeology and anthropology. With the help of archaeology and anthropology. First one, archaeology. Archaeology. So what is archaeology? Archaeology is the study of scientific study of archaeology is the scientific study of materials, remains of past human life, and activities. Archaeology, scientific study of material remains of the past human life and activities, and also study of prehistoric humans remain material. Prehistoric humans remain materials, and also study of prehistoric humans remain materials and excavated materials. Excavated materials remains are the main source of archaeological studies. Main sources of archaeological studies. So, what is archaeology? Archaeology is the scientific study of material remains of past human life and activities. Material remains of past human life and activities, and also study of prehistoric humans remain material. Prehistoric humans remain material, and excavated materials remains are the main sources. Are the main sources of archaeological studies. Excavated materials remains are the main sources of archaeological studies. Anthropology. Anthropology. What is anthropology? Anthropology is study of humans and evolutionary history. Humans and evolutionary history. Anthropology is the study of humans and evolutionary history. The word anthropology derived from two Greek words, that means anthropos, one anthropos. First one anthropos. Anthropos means man or human. Man or human. The anthropos means man or human. And the next one logos. Logos means thought or reason. The word anthropology derived from two Greek words. One anthropos means man or human. The logos means thought or reason. So the anthropologist attempt to achieve a total description of culture, cultural and social phenomena. So the archaeologists attempt to achieve a total description of cultural and social phenomena by investigating the humans' development and behavior. So anthropology is study of humans and evolutionary history. The word derived from two Greek words. Anthropos means man or human. Logos means thought or reason. And the archaeologists attempt to achieve a total description of cultural and social phenomena by investigating humans' development and behavior and the stages of human evolution. First one, Australopithecus. Second one, Homo habilis. Third one, Homo erectus. First one, Australopithecus, Homo habilis. Third one, Homo erectus. There are 6 stages. Another, fourth one, Neanderthal. Fifth one, Homo sapiens. Last one, modern man. First one, Australopithecus. Australopithecus means a mix of human and ape. A mix of human and ape traits. Mixing of human and apes. And bipedal walk. Bipedal walk means walking on two legs. Bipedal walk, walking on two legs. Years active 4 million to 2 million years ago. 4 million to 2 million years ago. It's called proto-human. It's called proto-human in the Eastern Africa. Eastern Africa. 4 million to 2 million years ago, called proto-human, Eastern Africa. And the second stage, Homo habilis. Homo habilis, presence of big toe. Presence of big toe to hold the things tightly. Presence of big toe to hold the things tightly, and less protruding face. Less protruding face. That means face outlining extended. Outlining extended. So tool maker. Less protruding face and tool maker. Years active 2.3 million to 1.4 million. 2.3 between 2.3 million to 1.4 million years ago. It's called also proto-human. Proto-human. Years active 2.3 million to 1.4 million years ago. And the third one, Homo erectus. Third one, Homo erectus. Walked in straight position. Walked in straight position, and he had the knowledge of fire. He had the knowledge of fire. The Homo habilis tool maker, making stone implements. Making stone tools, stone implements. He also had the knowledge of fire. Yes, 1.8 million years ago. 1.8 million years ago. Called Java man. It's called Java man. Homo erectus called Java man. Brain smaller than ours. Brain smaller than compared to ours. Brain smaller than ours, called Java man. The first one, Australopithecus, Homo habilis. Second one, third one, Homo erectus. Australopithecus, years active 4 million to 2 million. Proto-human in the country Eastern Africa. Homo habilis 2.3 million to 1.4 million. Fourth one, Neanderthal. Different from Africans. Neanderthal different from Africans. Their tools were crude. Their tools were crude. Hunting skills also poor. Hunting skills also poor. There are evidence of burying the dead. There are evidence of burying dead. Evidence are seen at Neanderthal in Germany. Evidence are seen at Neanderthal in Germany. So Neanderthal years again 130,000 years to 40,000 years ago. 130 years to 40,000 years ago. And not fully human. Is not fully human. Different from Africans. Different from Africans. And the fifth one, Homo sapiens. Fifth one, Homo sapiens. Years active 300,000 years ago. 300,000 years ago. It's called wise man. Called wise man. 300,000 years ago and wise man. The modern human being, Homo sapiens, the modern human being, hunting and gathering society. Hunting and gathering society still used crude stone and moved out of Africa and settled in Europe and Asia. Homo sapien migrated out of Africa and settled in Europe and Asia. It's like 300,000 years ago. It's called wise man. Homo sapiens are modern human being, hunting and gathering society. So used crude stone and moved out of Africa and settled in Europe and Asia. And the last one, Cro-Magnons. The last one, sixth one, Cro-Magnons. Years active 50,000 years ago. They are in Africa. 50,000 years ago they are in Africa. 40,000 years ago Asia and Europe. 40,000 years ago they are in Asia and Europe. Called modern man. Called modern man. Homo sapien, wise man. Cro-Magnons called modern man. Being of human life. Being of beginning of human life. The Cro-Magnons, beginning of human life, used not only implements are made of stone but also bone. The beginning of human life used not only implements made of stone but also bone, but also bone. Their weapon included harpoons and spear throwers. Their weapons included harpoons and spear thrower. Cro-Magnons 50,000 years ago in Africa, 40,000 years ago in Asia and Europe, called modern man. Beginning of human life used not only implements of made of stone but also bone. Their weapon included harpoons and spear throwers. So Neanderthal and Homo sapiens last one Cro-Magnons. So the human stages, there are 6 stages. One is Australopithecus, second one Homo habilis, third one Homo erectus, and the fourth one Neanderthal, fifth one Homo sapiens, the last one Cro-Magnons, the modern man. People and their habitat. Habitat means nature of living places. People and their habitat. Australopithecus in East Africa, Homo habilis, South Africa, Homo erectus, Africa and Asia, Neanderthal, Europe and Asia, Cro-Magnon, France, Cro-Magnon, France, and Peking, China, Homo sapiens, Africa, Heidelberg, London. So the people and their habitat, Australopithecus, East Africa, Homo habilis, South Africa, Homo erectus, Africa and Asia, Neanderthal, Europe and Asia, Cro-Magnons, France, Peking, China, Homo sapiens, Africa, and the last one, Heidelberg in London. Migration of Homo sapiens. Migration of Homo sapiens. Between 300,000 to 200,000, Homo sapiens were born in Eastern Africa. 300,000 to 200,000 born in Eastern Africa. They migrated out of Africa. Why did they migrate out? Why did they migrate? Because of coldest and driest periods are depletion of resource. That means the resource got exhausted and competition for resource. So coldest and driest periods, depletion of resource and competition for resource. Because of these reasons, Homo sapiens started to migrate out of Africa between 100,000 to 70,000. Between 100,000 to 70,000 years ago, they started to migrate out of Africa, and through the India, 50,000 years ago, 50,000 years ago, they reached the Australia, and 40,000 years ago, they reached the Europe, and 25,000 years ago, they reached the Russia. Finally, 15,000 years ago, they reached North America. 15,000 years ago, they reached North America. So, Homo sapiens migrated out of Eastern Africa, settled in different parts of the world. So, Homo sapiens migrated out of Eastern Africa, settled in different parts of world. Their lifestyle also evolved. Their and they made it suitable to the environs, suitable to the environs in which they lived, They made it suitable to the environs in which they lived. So, human in different places adapted different forms of lifestyle. So, human in different places adapted different forms of For example, Americans and Africans, Arabians, Chinese people and European Indian people, they are all also different compared to others because of their dresses, houses, occupations and culture. They are different comparing to others, and based on weather, climate, based on weather, climate, nature of living place, based on weather, climate and nature of living place, their physics and complexion also different. Physics and complexion also different. Physics means the body structure, complexion, face cut. Physics, body structure, complexion, face cut. So based on weather, climate, nature of living place, their physics and complexion also different. For example, American people have white skin and the African people have dark skin. India have briny skin. The physics. Chinese people are different compared to others in their heights. They are different comparing to others in their heights. So physics and complexion are based on weather, climate, nature of living places are also different. This results in formation of different races. The races mean the humankind, kind of people, a group of people, different races and increase in population. This results in formation of different races and increase in population. Hunting and gathering. Millions of years ago, our ancestors lead a nomadic life. Nomadic, there is no any fixed house. They are moving one place to another place in search of food. There is no any fixed home. They are moving to one place to another place in search of food. They lived as a group in caves. In caves or mountain ranges. They lived as a group in caves or mountain ranges. Each group consists of 30 to 40 people. Each group consists of 30 to 40 people. And the hunting style. Hunting. First one, go as a group. Go as a group. Hunt the prey. And the next one, dig a pit. Dig a pit, trap the animal. Hunting methods, go as a group, hunt the prey. And the second one, dig a pit, trap the animal. They hunted the deer, bison, rhino, pig, elephants and deer. So humans also ate the animals killed by other animals. Humans also ate the animal killed by other animals. They learned the art of fishing. They learned the art of fishing. And the next one, food gathering. Honey collected from beehives. They collect the honey from beehives and dig out the tubers from ground, plucked the fruits from trees, and they also collected the grains from the forest. Once the food resource got exhausted, means got empty in one area, they moved another place in searching of food. They were hides of animals. That means skin. Hides of animals. They were hides of animals and barks of trees. And leaves. They were hides of animal, barks of trees and leaves for protecting their bodies from winter. So the human began hunting for satisfying their need of food. So human began hunting for satisfying their need of food. So hunting and gathering. They lead a nomadic life, lived in caves. Each group consists of 30 to 40 people. Hunting method. Go as a group, hunt the prey, dig a pit, trap the animal and hunt. Dig a pit, trap the animal and hunt. And they learned the art of fishing. The food, honeys, fruits, grains and tubers also collected from the forest. And last one, hides of animal, barks of trees, leaves, they are ore. So the humans started hunting, satisfying their need of food, satisfying for their need of food. The next one, stone tools. Hunting was the main occupation of the humans in the past. It was very difficult for humans to kill a big animal with used stick or stone. So they decided to use a sharp weapon. They use the sharp weapon, the best stone. The best stone for making weapons is chemical. That is flint. The best one for making weapons, flint. It's known for its strength and durability. It's known for strength and durability. Humans spent many hours in searching of flint stone. They made a sharp weapon and tools by using with the help of the flint stone and fitted them with wood. To grip them. Fitted them with wood to grip them. Humans created weapons like axe with a big stone, and art of plating. Keeping one stone in the bottom and sharpening it with another stone. Art of plating, keeping one stone in the bottom and sharpening it with another stone. And the next one, the two stones were taken. One for used as hammer to sharpen. One was used as hammer to sharpen. Another one for removing flakes. Flakes means a thin, small pieces. Removing flakes. One for used as hammer, removing flakes. Thank you, students.